The ultra-low temperature chiller unit is composed of 5 parts: compressor, condenser, evaporator, dryer filter, and expansion throttle valve. The maintenance of the low-temperature refrigeration unit plays a key role in the stable operation of the equipment. After the ultra-low temperature chiller unit is out of operation, the refrigerant recovery device starts to recover the refrigerant. After the refrigerant recovery is completed, start to open the end cover of the water chamber, clean the circulating water system, replace the filter element, and check the safety valve. After the maintenance and installation is completed, use a vacuum pump to vacuum the system and keep the pressure for 24 hours. The airtightness is good, and the maintenance finish. During the process of charging the refrigerant, it was found that the refrigerant could not be inhaled. It was confirmed that the system was leaking, and the leak point was found. Close the inlet and outlet valves on the water side of the evaporator and condenser. After the water in the machine is emptied, open both ends of the water side covers of the evaporator and condenser, and fully close the outlet valve of the compressor to form a closed space.